Let's go! Spaghetti! Sausage! Woohoo! Banana! Ketchup! Aha! Yeah!
Aha!
Water! Spaghetti! Wow!
Uh-huh.
Tomato! Mushrooms! Yeah! Herbs! Good job! Excellent!
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Woohoo! Whoa!
Oh no!
And my tears won't stop. It's okay to feel this way. Share your emotions every day.
Yeah!
Every day.
What?
Playing with math is so much fun. Hey, stop. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Aha!
Where is the water hose? Here I come. I will catch you. Run, run, run.
Yeah!
Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Playing with math is so much fun. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Playing with math is so much fun.
Fantastic!
I
Yeah!
like pink and I like blue. Pink, pink, pink. Blue, blue, blue. Everything I like is pink, and everything I like is blue. You ruined my
Woohoo!
pink. Oh no, no. What can I do?
Whoa! Fantastic!
Ding dong, bibbidi-boo. Fixing your color here with
Huh?
No way! Let me show you what to do.
Whoa!
Ew! Here you go.
Wow!
Oh, poor little girl. But I have something for you.
Wow!
Let's try tying a scarf. Now the laces.
Aha!
Look, it's easy.
Yeah!
And now the button. Well done.
Are you okay? You look like you've smelled something bad.
No, I'm fine. I mean, actually, Dav, do you have any ribbon I could borrow?
Of course. I'll be right back.
I can't believe Chef Thorne told me to go away. Like I was some kind of bug or something.
My thoughts exactly. Hello, my furry friend. I happened to be walking by Thorne's house and I saw how he treated you. He doesn't deserve a friend like you.
You think so, Harry?
Thorne is no true friend, that's for sure. You, on the other hand, you're so kind. You deserve better.
Better than Chef Thorne?
Yes. I am quite busy, but I could take a little time to show you what a real friend is.
That would be swell. Let's be friends. Oh?
Rose's house looks so pretty. I better hurry. There's not much time. Where was I? Oh, yes.
And just like Lilac's house.
Thorne? I just saw Bucky and Ellery hanging out together in the forest.
Why should I care about that?
I get the feeling that Ellery's just using Bucky to do stuff for him. And I thought, since Bucky is your friend...
A friend who let me down only to go have fun with Ellery. I don't have time to deal with it. I need to get my house finished before Molly gets here to decide the winner.
It looks like you've already finished. Your house looks great. It's just like Lilac's.
It is, isn't it? These things make people think of you. Hang on a minute. This house is missing something, and I know what. Cap, where did you say Ellery and Bucky were?
They're in the forest, in the clearing. Attention all contestants. You have 10 minutes left before I come to judge your decorations. 10 minutes.
Yes, work out those cramps. Don't forget the dough. I'll do the same for you, I promise.
Bucky, would you come back and help me decorate my house, please?
Would I?
Hold on now. Thorn, leave Bucky alone. He's not your friend anymore.
You did tell me to go away. I wasn't nice to you, that's true. And you were right about the house. If people want to see the real me, they need to see me. And you. I'd like you to come back and help me decorate with the muffins.
Really? Yay! Let's go!
But Bucky, what about our friendship?
Sorry, Ellery, but I kind of got the idea you just wanted someone to wait on you.
I'm warning you. If you don't get back here, you'll never massage these chipmunk feet again.
Molly has already started judging Daffodil's house. We're too late. It's never too late to help a friend. Come on, Chef Thorne. All right, I'm going to take off all those flowers. And can you sculpt some more things in the meanwhile? Sure. What kind of thing? Whatever you want. Who knows me better than you?
So, you like it?
Yes, it's quite fussy. Where's your usual good taste? Nice colours and flowers that go together.
How about now? With this ribbon?
I don't know if Molly will like it, but I love it.
It's lovely. I can't believe it.
Oh, I could just sit down and take a bite out of one of those delicious-looking muffins. Well, there's no need to ask whose house this is. This is you from top to bottom. Thorne, I declare you the winner!
Thorne and Bucky, we did it together.
Thank you, Chef Thorne. Congratulations.
Well done, Thorne and Bucky.
Here you go. Enjoy it while you have it, boys. I intend to get it back from you next summer.